Hey, I want to take a flat fare. I know I can order it up on one. If I be go na Dubai, go for the night can order it up on go to look. Okay, good evening. Welcome officially to this program or an eye opener. Program I be a number that. I got my like. Kainu ya, kere feature. Oh, why can we if you are watching from Lagos across the globe and you cannot understand my language, uh, what we are discussing here is about a man who deals on cement. Then a customer came along and bought 50 bags from him. If I know who one 50 bags of cement. Who I know, Rob if I got money, bro if I get Madam Bally. Come on, oh, will you keep low bell? Ekaya alone. And will you keep a shop? Okay, what do you think? Well, to do with cement. That I deal with it today. Apart from when you get go, I was sitting somewhere some time ago, even Natano. So I was, like entertaining myself. And then this whole thing was happening in the shop next door. So it's the same problem. How much he paid some time ago, and he wants his cement back now. And I wear another possible. That was when cement did their 10 years ago. Over cement when cement was about 8,000 plus. Go share that cement Elizabeth 9,003. Oh my God, 800 in here. So and I said yo. And I bad him back. You go. I believe in that. And everybody most ike whatever maka about shouting or supposed to. And I'm now so they couldn't allow me to enjoy myself. I couldn't, like join them. I just be interested in whatever they are saying. I quickly excused myself and out I went. So now I need to deal with issue related to that. Somebody came and bought a cement at the rate of 11,000, 50 bags, for cash, and taking it in the next 2 days. And on that very day, cement had ready. He wasn't there to pick up his cement. Actually, okay, get your man. Come and carry your goods. Sorry. Hey, sorry. Somebody is saying that now this head Lukita come on, maybe it's gonna the other one. Yeah. Thank you. So now, hang on. That's no be lie. Okay, now let's continue. All right. Okay, is one never suffer? Aluchi, Academy, you're welcome. And so, Osta from Germany. I hope Rob Osta can Monias village, one name working. Team one in Asia. Robert Braid. Thank you, Osta. James. All right, so Charlie Stanley. Sunday on your Jekwe. Bolisa Edmond is one name, Monsieur for. Olushoni Weke. All right. Now, after Kokuch at 11,000 times 50 bags of cement. When I have all the weather, I'm not hey, I'm waiting here. All like okay. You might expect my father to go guy. When I told my when this small, I'm way out than I did spec. Upon a shop can go there, walk where they are from the young. So now this man over 11,000 each times 50. What's no cement here in 2 days time? He left. They waited for him for 1 month. He didn't come. They continued calling him on the phone. He wasn't picking. The call wasn't going through. 4 months later, he surfaced from nowhere only to apologize. No phone available. Good. So nobody knew if he went to jail. Nobody knows what was going on with him all those times. So if I'm about that, he wasn't here to pick up his merchandise. Okay, now. Owema insist no the cement here, even though na the lazy cement 13,000. The man when I say no, I'm able here na 13,000. No ga acquire to 2,000 extra. The man where you see the am acquire to 2,000. Now we are complete. Nigeria over. After all, no GG a turnover. If you for checking. After all, no GG a turnover. First of all, the man hapo just follow police, be follow the man na Leslie Cement, bully another station. So good you na kai July now. Decision ya IG police Bologna dey okay. The man of all Umugu buy na bia to 2,000 extra. Can the man on the right he go chilling if I na ele. No say they dey cement here. No kwesi bulugo cement here, go focus on a business here. Ota ya down here. There's a kit call the icon. So many people are going at that video. You have their own opinion. So you wanna watch right now. What would you have done if it was you? Now, you will request on TikTok. We would like to hear from you. Obuni will go this kind of ugly experience in the past. You can share with us. Maniga gana TikTok. I add again a screen. You can as well request on Facebook. I can add again a screen. Tell us what you think. Was he right by EG police follow the man? Now I got supply here. Mangi chetapa that don't believe an agreement. Agreement but not 2 months, not 2 days. Kebia bulungu afya. Malona cement bi fele maybe. Ebiaro. Obuno bulu cement aga park here somewhere. Debele each year to obuno cement that block go. Obu ga see na demand the wicked. Obuno bulu cement that go somewhere. Cement na go no adobale na warehouse mo na parking store. He gonna go parking store which number call the ego ga dey high. Or so give me ego go when on the way na business. Izugi afia carry your goods and go focus one. Ita ya the thing down here. I will go and name a business. So I say no me business all okwa. You ga near your money complete. And on the other way around, that man who go onye na lego. He check with one and oh we go ga me turn up. You have to go. Oh me go turn up. So and apart from that, Obuna cement message that 8,000. No if I need 8,000. Oga balance the man 3,000. Okay, man, my balance here 3,000. Or they will balance here 3,000. From if the man or they will get the man who will you because Obuna they go you be man Obuna dollar na 8,000 or my balance 3,000. Because no if you. So I don't know. Let's discuss. Tell us if you can, amen. And you have that now this person go look 50 bags for cash. No more things and he will always recommend you to people for efficiency and for your understanding after such a long time. Maybe I don't good this meant to bring you. Each other halfway 50-50. Na 2,000 nyam 1,000. Call cement or continually 1,000. Rap say the other 1,000 because my cement. Can you feature one them kind of okay. Hey, here you are. Here was some they look good. Get a day look at the DSS. Okay, Oster. Why you ever somebody has requested to pop up on our screen on the governor Okay, Governor, pụtara ka anyị na gị lụọ ka ị gwa anyị ife bụ uche gị. Good evening, Joel Okonkwo. Nwanne m o. Good evening, ka ime?
Ọ dịkwa mma ka ime nwanne.
Udo dị.
Ọ dịkwa na anyị esonyere gị.
Abi?
Ihe na-eme na ada anyị mma.
Daalụ nwanne m. Thank you. Thank you.
Igbo oge na-aghọta ma ajụjụ ihe na-ajụ. Nke bụ eziokwu bụ na mmadụ na-aba dịkwa at fault.
Okay.
Mana the man na-eme the business itself kwesịrị ịma about this thing. O were enyi nwoke nọ ya nọ Abuja. Enyi nwoke nọ ya ọ na-ere cement. Ịbịagodo ọsọ gị na-eji 1 million naira ka ịkwụ ụgwọ simenti ka eme ịbịa buru ya in 3 days time. Ọ na-ekwekwe
n'ọ gị buru ozugbo.
Nke ahụ ị ga-eburu na-akwụ ụgwọ ya biko ọsọ nwere ike na yes nke ahụ ị ga-akwụ ụgwọ ya kwụọ eburu ya ozugbo maka na nwere ike ịkwụ ụgwọ 100 bahts na evening time weta message that na nna na-ati ụgwọ 2,000 n'enye 1,000 n'enye abụọ gị narị gbagharịwa. So the man know into the business kwesịrị ime all these things ma na cement price wee ka ọ sarị and ọ na-arịọ dịghị dị sign ọ bịa ha na ọbịa ozugbo ọrịa mana ihe abụkwa na ekwesịrị iji gwu ụgwọ ọ bụrụ na ha na-abụgoro understanding ihe kwesịrị ime oge ama ebe a ga-egbibie ego tụ ọbụla bụ na 2,000 batara n'ime ya o metụgo ya ha na-abụ the other person na maka ọ ga-esi tọpụrụ ya the man na ngwa ọ ga-esi wepụtara na ọ bụrụ na ha nwere this understanding mana ebe ọ bụ na ọ dịghị ụta na ha enweghị no such understanding n'ime ụwa ha na ekwu elegari o the man nọ na-ekwu ekwu elegari na ha bụ ahafọ ebe na anyị na-akpụ uche ka mmadụ na a na-ekwu ya based on ihe akwụkwọ ọchịchị ihe ya ji achị anyị n'obodo a the man ga-ebi ekwe simenti ego because ọ natara ego full payment ọ bụrụ na ọ natara part payment mana nke ọ natara full payment full payment a bụ ebe the problem dị ịghọtago because ọ bụrụ ya the form of na gị na mmadụ were agreement gị na-ewere agreement ide full payment ide ya receipt where that's paid ị ga-ebi ekwe ngwongwo
mana eche m na anyị ga sorry eche m na anyị ga na-consider ife azụrụ the commodity a na-ediscuss ịma na ife dịka veggies ka anyị were veggies for example ịma na ahịa na-emebi ọ perishable anything ọbụla na-emebi kwesịrị na igori ya iburu ya ozugbo maka igori ya debe ya onye a paakị alụghị ịpụta afụ na omebiri emebi ị ga-akọnsida onye a na ọ dị very wicked na ọ kwesịrị ile ya ele m ife salad a na-akpọ ya veggies ya salad condiments cabbage carrot cucumber irish potato ịgbago ụmụ ife a niile na o nwere nke ị ga-ebute igbuwa dị cabbage efu na ọ na-ele n'ime ya ịghọtago and o nwere kọstọma kwụnyere ụgwọ 10 bahts ibute dị ngwa afịa ọkara ọbịado ibulie gị wee discover na this thing na-ele ule ị ga-eje paakị adịtin na-eche ya ị ga-egbuchasị adịtin gbuchasị anya lee ya ọ bịazịa ekwube okwu ego because na ịma na imeghị ya debere ya n'oge mebi ọ bụgoro na onye a nyere gị ego gị zụtara ya afịa ị ga-azụta dị afịa bata chọpụta na ihe ịzụrụ na ego si dị ị ga-eme ekichio niile datị ngwa afịa bifo onye a na-abịa ka arapụ ise n'okwu na ife a simenti obu simenti a ga-paakị alụghị ya iwe pụta after 4 months iwe chọpụta na simenti a blọk obi amadị gị mma na ịma so I feel na I ga-consider that part na ebe azụ bụ ife na-emebi ọ bụ na iron rod mgbe ọ bụla iji bịa iburu ngwa ahịa gị mana nke a bụ ife na-emebi ọ dọbalụ gị ebe a wetaba warehouse ị ga-akwụ ya ụgwọ for ichekwabalụ ngwa ahịa gị for this 4 months owing to the fact na ọ na-erichara agreement not in 4 months time ka ọ ga-aga
anyị kwuokwo n'okwu a na ịma na reason na anyị na-asị mmadụ I na dey check I open work na check with I na ku logic na check with logic. Mani ya na ku ku na kidi law pro maka something like this thing in a situation. Even if we parents are not a lawyer now, you could mad go full payments, or you receipts. You're entitled to your goods. In as much as that they will delay, which the delay will capable on plan something. You got to go. So, but look at your
check Holland, yeah.
9 years, some mother. No, over 9 years, some mother. Normally, all got that man and got here go with Bruce Mental. Man, in terms of the law of Nigeria.
Him and I put a law you won't get it.
Yes, I put a law you won't get it because I end on a court now. As long as no receipt, where that's near full payment, not part payment, or not part payment, or I know they are paid full payment, or the PSMT. That is the thing. Yeah, I'm watching.
Okay, I don't want. I don't feel then one night I want to sort of I realize something. Now we're going to I want them.
Can't go to find you before I continue.
Okay.
Mado Potra, Ugo boss for Tata. A major sweat in the Turumbu, full of Baku, a beer and a bag of Urubo yesterday. Now the Porena, people about to follow the Japan.
Hey, give me it was fair. Like you want to fuel is at 800, jump on to 12. Getting a boya. Never give work complete.
Follow number 200. Follow 200. The days will do boogie. For about from 200, maybe 700, 800. Now, I'm going to go yesterday. Second, why we go to that? I got what we do now. And I had the money. We never got the target over. The next day, afternoon or morning, a means well in the Tunumbu. Full of from 200, Boku 800. Yes, yeah, come and carry me.
Because they will go.
If you have baby finish, okay, then I'll go to you. What do you mean? Go today. I'm not here. I got to about that. Only a was made for 3 days. If you have cement.
2 days,
even. The guy back that now. Okay, for 2 days. The guy back that. Okay, I don't go for 2 days. That now I don't want to go for this cement. I can make this cement, but they can go security. Go shop for the months on. They never charge you per day. Okay, carry go cement. I have to carry to 2,000. Say,
Yes.
Get out to law. One time we go to get out to law. Get out to law. The guy that buy na quality. You go buy na cement that he come back. Okay, say you go security. They go shop.
Parking space.
I think that every day. I think that every day with 5,000. Yeah,
You went to it's that law is to the money we shop. Because I give in the next 2-3 days. You can't correct it now.
Yes.
Somebody who goes before the foundation, you want to go the abasement, the way you go to go on. Because maybe they will cheap war and also.
Yes.
You cannot give somebody business for 4 months. Those are the that space, each one 50 space, 50 bad can do other things for the man. Okay, I have the man, but I also the man with Raya or the wife and Kenny, Maya, also 50 bad to take on the
yeah.
Or the possible.
No, I can net
check.
Because it was government business, yeah. Manage iji ngwa ahịa ụbọchị ụzọ. So butezi ngwa ahịa, ọ bụrụ na onye na-eme trailer of load na shop ya. O mezie maka gị jee chọba parking store ebe ọ ga-park tin. O nwere ka ọ dị. So even na kwa na the man is supposed to meet onye halfway or why the money complete.
The man wants to meet you but can't something. Okay, because for you delay that business, it will person money down.
Yes.
What you don't like that cement? A bata, a bag that don't want to buy cement in you. I don't want to know. No, check it. That's it. In 2 days, me and Maggie. How will you feel? We can work on that. You will try to give you back your money.
Yes.
You can't just speak and say, give me my money back.
Abukwana onye abesi cement adara 8,000 nko. Na wesi balance ya ego.
As you mean, you're going to come business center.
Okay.
Gain the only member shop or the baga or get a member shop. I'm on a factory. Only can be estimating 5,000 today. Factory, I mean, I have a factory they go to, but the way they have a pack, I see the supplier. And so we get it. So factory get 5,000. We carry out here 3,000. You get by the factory we carry out here 3,000 because production they go too much. They will buy a bag and buy it. Hey, we go here 3,000. You know, we carry 3,000 today. We may have a factory empty. Customer will say, "Actually, I don't. The bully here. No, try by one day. You get it in a business. Oh my God, but how you begin it in as we back in the truth, only one business, only one shop back that now. I had a meeting up, now we go back that one, or they get it in a business.
The worst go Nigeria, ebe enwe instability. Onwe ihe dị chio ya na ihe igolo 10 naira na ebutechi na egote nwe 10 naira. Exchange rate na eweva, ọgbatuo. Ejem na bank ụbọchị a, watch ya exchange rate. Mfu na ego dirham, ego ndị Dubai. Ihe ọkwụkwa since how many years ebe a ka ọ ka. You know they change. O si na 360, ọgbago 361 or 362 ọ na-achịgakwa azụ. Efu that na ndị a nwere strong economy. Mana nke anyị, dollar nwere ike isi na 14, echi ọ datuo 1360, nwanne echi ọgbagoro 1450. Ya, onweghọ nke eji aka.
Echi na nwanne ji dị fa. Kama na gị shekwu na gị na-eche gị na-ere gị ọ na-agbago to 1 naira back 2 naira. Kama na gị kwuo na gị na-ekwechi na nwanne gị ọ dị fa. Kama na gị kwuo na gị na-eche gị dollar rate Nigeria.
Ọ nọrọ ofu ebe.
Ọ bụ ochi na-agba.
Ọgbatuo.
This is all when they make a business. You put a business. You go that I have managed to get out now. Turn up. You go have 1 million now. You make a shop. Make we go get you. Make we go everything. Take a go everything at that. But also back go back. I'm equal 2,000. You make you have 1,009.
Ile ya 19 letara ego. O nwere ngwa ahịa. O nwere one man njelu go ahịa na Lagos. Nna na-egekwa. Ejem bata na shop this man. Abata na shop this man. Where's one afia almost 2 million something. Aqua nere na my boutique. So, ịmara mbu ahịa anata. O nwere ndị aka nọ ya bere ya na adụrụ ya na lawyer be ya adụrụ ọkwa ichere na oh. Right. Lawyer na-emebiri m ihe. So where's what this man? I had 2.something million, almost maybe 2.4 or 2.5 million, or even more. Mbula ha nwoke abata ebe adọbịa. Ị mara ewepụ na m gosiri ndị ọzọ ahịa gasị ebe dị iche iche. Amakịrị m afịa nwoke ekwere m ọlịle. Ilo na shop m taa afịa ngolu 2 years ago afịa akadị. Ị mara na ebe ngwa afịa ya ego wee na-ele. O nwere jean ngo n'aka this man 20,000. 2 years ago 20,000. Ịkwenya 15,000 na. Nlenya ana m adị happier than onye ji 10,000 wee le ngwa afịa. Amaghị m na ọda. Ana akwụkwọ ụgwọ shop na-eri nri na-akwụ ụgwọ ọkụ. Na-agbafu ya na moto wee na-eje na-ana. A na-ebukwe nwa at the same time. Yes.
Yota, I watch a game. Only in a Kunasana Smith Batarabada. I could just like Smith Barabada. As one now, Caterpillar that want to show, I could have Smith Baga. Only I was give me back my money. I'm going to do what you do, Smith.
Okay, Obitex, abi? O nwere nwanne anyị nwoke anyị na ya nọ ebe a okwugbo okwu si nso bata nwanne m ka efe iche n'okwu a. Hello? Obitex. Obitex. Obitex ọ nọzikwa ya? Obitex. Okay, Obitex. They disconnect go me. Obitex are not active. All right. I can up and down. If I know, in case somebody will a different opinion. Somebody with a different opinion, what would have been done to avert if they were police here? Who was right and who was wrong? You know, because now I am as right. I know. Thank you. Thank you. One more. I greet you. You're welcome.
Good morning, sir.
Good evening from Nigeria. Thank you, man.
Dude, I didn't know.
You know, if
I'm on the topic. I'm to the also going at the lives.
okay. Okay, but Moliki brief behind you.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Somebody Golumadu cement 11,000 naira per bag times 50 bags. One cash. Where I get Bulungwa in 2 days time. Actually, 2 days time for a check it 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, 4 months later. However, by then cement level go na 13,000. When you na gebunya ku ya ni akuzuru ogbo ya kuzusi bunya ngwa afia ogo. Ana agba na odro possible no ge tinye kwa tutuba na enu ya. So if aka na agbagharịzi the man emegide si ọnwụ je kpọọ police bịa kpụrụ the man. Yete sai when if all melo or metalia o kwesịrị meet the man ka fa kpa anya as a gentleman ọ bụgodo nwa mkpa otilia ọkwa na onye nke na-ele na ọ kwesịrị ka onu ife niile aka bunye ya the thing ka so ebe a ka anyị na-agbagharị n'uche anyị na wee na-eche ka anyị nụ opinion ndị mmadụ ka ife ichere ọ bụ na ọ gịnwa what would you have done?
Okay, I'm like I actually also what engage you my things I name was about you and also like one nga sabat you but nga imana mo kai ma ko ma wa ndi bo mo kai sa so I get you so but obona name ya like as yeta mo I na ela akwa na balogo.
Okay.
With some customer escalate alcohol from you. Escalate alcohol from you. Maybe escalate like 50 pieces, 100 pieces. Go. When you are only going to have to go with you. You got package there for Walonia. Also, we are now 2 years going to match them. Obolafia. Because of Obolafia. But in Magona, I see teacher.
Yeah.
You see me teacher, you would teach a bona.
You don't
yeah.
Yeah.
So, because Onya suppose Onya an investment. Abuna, Noya Gruga, Onya Guchaga, was sitting in 2 days, in 3 days. As a customer, as a business able, on a businessman able. Onye guru gafia, guru gafia because of no frokinari. Yata, and Obuna Kunia Sutafia, okay, and okay, referring more people near Kabe guru gafia. So if he came able, Obi Nanya and Florida, he got banner phone, half one in a keep Lafia because nothing more much space, a big Gafia. Because after Smith, you put a guru, a butcher, like Imago, I want much space now, Smith. Abuna ina ya abuna onya ha bia lo waro ige mepo e magona
ị ga-ere cement ịghọtago ọ bụ na ire cement na-emeta n'ọgwụ gị mana ị ga-adụ nkwadobe
nke esi ọbịa
ị ga-adụ nkwadobe ọ bụ na ị ga-adụ nkwadobe ọ bụ na daa pesin bịa bụ na ya akpazi ya nwayọ nwayọ ọbụrụ na cement jiri ego ịghọtago ịma ọ bụghị ya ga-aba mba ọ bụ na onye ahụ ekwelo kama ị ga-asị onye a kama ka inye achịkwa ya ego ahụ bụ na ya calculate that moment that time.
Okay, the balance anya the money.
The balance anya the money. Ọ sị gị mba na ọma mgbe na ọma ntinyere gị ego isi oke na ị ga-balance ya the money because ọ bụrụ your fault number one. And ịma mgbụkwa n'onye anya ịma force kwa anya tinye ego because ọ nwere ike ịmara ka o si odile so na ị ga-eme bụ either na balance ya the money or n'ikala obi binye dị afịa because ọ gụzuru ụgwọ aha akụzụ ọ bụrụkwa your fault because ọ gụzuru ụgwọ si gị na ọ na-abịa ịghọta and as a customer wey be ị suppose ịkpọkwa the person join ha afa because onye abụọ onye gụnye ha na-azụ afịa maka na ọ bụ na ọgụ nwa na-ekukwe mmadụ afịa from mgbago mebi ndị na-atụ afịa from mgbago inye mmadụ ego site onye ahụ ya butere gị afịa ọ nwere ike onye a na-ebutere gị afịa ịnụ mkpata anụ ọzọ mkpa ị ga na-akpụ mmadụ onye ibe onye nyere ego na-egotere gị afịa ka ife na-eme ị ga na-abịa mana afọzikwa onye goro gị afịa ị ga na-akpọ onye ahụ gwa gị na
ọ sị na a na-akpọ the man na phone na nọmba aga for 4 months the man abịakwa onweghị a very good reason onye no ife mere na phone ya and just na phone ya nyụrụ anyị ya nọrọ in town ya mee travel akwewata so onwe onye ọ bụ fault ya onwere onye ọ bụ fault
eziokwu bụ onwere onye ọ bụ fault ya onwere onye ọ bụ fault ya but ihe dị man ga-eme bụ nke a na-ele afịa bụ ọ bụ na this man si na ọma nye ya ego na ọma ntizi afịa n'ego ihe osi ya m ga-abalansị gị that's all
ọ sị na ya ekwe balance ya ga-ebu ngwa ahịa ka a gwara ya ka balance ya ọ sị na ya ngwa
ọ sị na ọ ga-ebu ngwa afịa ọ sị na ọ ga-eje mgbe afịa gbadatakwara that time ịghọtago that price ahụ ọ ga-eche because ọ bụ onwe onye ọ bụ fault ya simple
a na-agwa gị n'iji izu ego ya wee mee turn up for 4 months gịnị ka ị na-akọrị
no ịgbadoro ya aka n'akpịrị iwu onye izu ego ahụ mee turn up
okay iyọrị ego yes iyọrị ego mba no ị na-ekwu bụ eziokwu iyọrị ego ya nye gị ego ka ị wee na-eme turn up all fault ya
yes iyọrị ego
yes
iyọrị ego so n'ife ọ ga-eme bụ ọ bụ na ada na ọ wụrụ that money ọ na ọ mee gị n'otu egboro ego bụrụ dị afịa ọ nwere ife ọzọ ọ bụ na demand nke a na-ele afịa ebe ọ esi ọgbalịdo ego si anya kụzie ụgwọ parking shop nọ na-akwụ ụgwọ parking shop ọ calculate anya for 4 months yes na ọ nwere ebe esi akọva
ịnwere ọnwa amasị akwụ ụgwọ parking store o nwere ike si ya na every month na-enye ya 30,000 ịgbakozie 4 months bụrụ 120,000 iji adị complicated maka chi
simple
if you go to Nigeria
yes
if you go ahịa ọbụla ị na-ego ahịa ọbụla mmadụ go Nigeria will be careful ahịa if you don't make a business in Nigeria take a very big risk if you make business in Nigeria will risk
nnukwu risk maka chi
ị ga-echeki na somebody goro full tank believe when any people charter tomorrow but that they budu ebe ahịa your ogbara fuel lower the next day fuel above from 200 naira but 700
Odogaya no this thing batara na insurance companies are not in Nigeria.
Yes, now how can you insure this kind of thing? You live in before you insure.
Oh yes, because when we hear this table.
What can you insure?
Ọ bụ ịpụtazi echi onye na-akwụ for 400 naira premium every month. Esi a na-akwụbazi 1,000. Or the possible.
now, if I'm not country, no now, in the job every year for life insurance, 100 euro. In now for my medical insurance, 50 euro for 1 year, 50 euro for 1 year. Let's make it to you. One or every 50 something euro, but yeah, it will log every flu over 700 something thousand, I mean 700 something euro. That's over 1 point something million. Insurance is the money complete.
Yes.
You cannot try that in Nigeria.
Mba.
You don't mean it. If you could be 100,000 naira, you could be 100 million every month. Here 2 million naira. Insurance will give you because the money is not there. Nothing is stable.
About their fault. About their fault. About that, I guess Wakachi.
Yota. Obudo Gasa. Then in the business, oh my, you could go agent to court. Agent to court. They have to get that. I had a stranger here. Foggy, and a man, but no problem. I don't let him buy here in our store. I don't know. I could have for the 4 months. Give you a break in the way they go for security and they go shop. Or somebody where they put this person and they buy him at 20,000 every month. Who go shop or 30,000 every month. Don't think they will go over 200,000. Buy you was really a big and 2,000. But I don't get who's really, can you say 100,000? Give me, I don't get who's really. You can let somebody like a cement. You just compare Apa DJ from cement.
Yes.
You got 100,000 naira. You got 100,000 naira. You can pack them in one bag. You go cement. It can matter that in space, it take a lot of space.
Okay, our brother, they are also. One night, okay, Otieba, what before Bala, on the Achonka, Otione, government of the day, right? You never can you hear us? Man. Hello? I wonder. Yeah? Man. Thank you. Armano. Gani right now,
Okay, here, I don't even have for internet, yeah? Here, they will be able to have confirm how we are doing that because what they not for me, what they think is like reality there.
Okay.
You want to go? There is nothing like criminality there. You have a business.
Yes.
I know we had a customer relationship. Normally, I'm going to make the business. I can give you that space. You have that 100,000.
Okay.
The same kind customer, that one is 50,000.
Go kwa more.
Only cheap.
What I know more business, exactly.
Yeah. Mana I'm not so with what you normally, if you mother, I have 50,000 mates. It goes so on what you for good mood. Vocês dois devem ver lá. When I bring the bag of space for 4 months, my property, my occupying, I shop.
And then catch
I know they are carried my order for the Otago. If they bring a bag of space, they bring a bag of space. Normally, for who go cash, and the person I deny. If for who go cash.
Yes.
So it was reaching why you want to bring that space. No problem. 100,000 naira is big, but more for business. But I was consider that we have for this. Why have for more than 4 months? Why have been occupied to somebody's space?
Yes.
I didn't want to spend a okay, let me pack it somewhere for this person. So, you have to consider that for this because I'm a policy I got another long process.
Yes, and I get you. Yes. On not just the police, yeah, but that's no T2030.
Because if you consider that agreement, yeah. So, police is another 20,000 in Nigeria now.
Man, I'm just new. onye ka ejiri ebute tigbuo 50. Nigeria. Oh, the police na
Police nọrọ nwe ịchọ ya bịawa so.
Yes, sir. All right. I will another guest here. Onye ebunye ya buru nsogbu ya gaba. Abi? Ali Baba, ke ime? Ke feature?
Yes, ya buru nsogbu ya.
Nwanne m ke ime? Yes, your voice declare. Good. Ke feature n'okwu anyị na-ekwu? Okay. Okay.
You understand? And the cement abagogo. You understand? The man be expected. Go to the store. You only take that space. Every opportunity, maybe you can buy an area and not follow up. You know what you know? Not follow up after cement. You know? All good woman. We'll go cement down on that. That's our brother say. No carrying a chia. All the best thing. We're going to order. Cement the go. And the government can't to be removed. You got to put it in 2 days. Ọ̀pọ̀ ọwọ́ mú sí dẹ́rọ̀, adé mú sí ìpàdé ní wọ́tàgó. Ọ̀gá ni ń wá, jìdé ego kìí jẹ́ ego ẹgbẹ́ ọ̀sọ̀ inúgó, ìwé wọn náà ni. Simple. Wẹ̀tá receipt. Yẹ́tẹ́gbọ́, ọ̀gá ìwẹ̀tá receipt ọ̀ wẹ̀tá receipt. Ife ní náà bùtù kí ẹ jẹ ẹ̀mí à. Ife ìbí náà argument, ìsí àwọn kẹ́ receipt àwọn ní ẹ̀gí ìwé sí à. Ìjìdé receipt, sí àwọn ọ̀gá ni, mma ya achịkị ego gị, ị ga-egoro ebe ọzọ. Price agbagogo. I can't do this business like this. Yes. You're not going to receive the defense. Yeah, simple. Yes, but I'm also young. You know, you go out there, you want to also generate maybe a song. You have to be the champion. You're not just a young. You got him on my own. You're very here. I swear to Chicago. So, you understand?
Yes.
Oh, you can't put a sweat.
But what do you now?
You understand? So, you know, this person will get me and my brother. You know,
yeah. Okay. So now, your opinion about that now the buyer boy I get blamed because you stick to agreement and kita on a just call force so I go nya which not the wrong one. All right.
Yes.
Good. Well, if I do.
You know, that's after 1 month to see that people can buy them. If I may put you, maybe also I'm going to sweat the GK go put it again.
Yes, you.
Okay, but police they are way hacker.
So the best thing bo no the best thing bo na obuna onosi no man tinegu wo brother cement yonya na red cement game o balance kwa ye go that 50 bars are simple when they had o balance kwa ya o si okay e ga ki nyere you understand
well go
asna n'ife dari n'ike igbo ya n'ike bụ akwụ mana ọ nwere okwu ga-adị wuru nwa ya oso asị na ọma nnara ego chọpụ ahụ ebusa simenti ahụ ọ na shọpụ mana a na-akpọ shọpụ ọ mmadụ na-edebe shọpụ ahụ anyị aka kletịrị anya
ọ ya akwụkwọ shọpụ ụgwọ sekuriti
yes ọ ga-akwụkwọ ụgwọ housekeeping na from Lagos to Onitsha. All of the okay support they are working on welfare but on every do go to village.
Yes.
Only ship broke out from America to Nigeria. All that moto yabata. Moto yabata. Oga for 2 days or 3 days. Or we don't go to Morate.
Yes, mana eso.
Road safety now give motor key. Never in the banana. Go on to Morate.
Yeah, so
Government the way Mahana or do Morate. Yeah, government man the way Mahana or do Morate. Them give police no way. Police no way. Police no way. Since you put to give no another position. And I go to do Morate.
Even motor rent. Say mmadụ na ị ga-use ya 3 days ka ibu natala ya o wepụrụ gị ego chaji a ga-ekwu ụgwọ after 3 days afụziri ọ bụ ozie na ị nọrọ 1 month wee chighata esi ya bịa buru moto na ịbatago ịpakra moto a n'ụlọ since ọkwebụrụ ọdị possible ị ga-agbakọ ego the whole days ị nọrọ kwụ ụgwọ ya
anyị ga-akwụgo dumerage ị ga-akwụgo the dumerage ị ga-akwụgo dumerage
maybe na US whatever. So I'm Nigeria in January. But then in February, I could have a month and I think 10 days. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But before now, not only the joy, which is a mechanic in Mexico. Yeah, because then I pack here and I trust from that place. Then we kiss motor before now.
Yes.
I'm back here in a workshop here. No problem. See, all you know, they leak one. I don't care around this oil. You always see the oil before now. You know. So the guy can I'm like $450 go anywhere. No problem. Yeah, you know what I'm boy, I can't show. Madam, before, or soon I'm going to attack you. I'm going to have to go on. I'm going to go on to the matter. You don't need to say your room, and you boy, you have to the hour. When you go into the matter. When I say you, you have to 2 days. You already had a little way basically with, you know. So, my question, or what I just want to be a say, why we do the only national on the back. Or the more I get my police, or you have to say, the guy went on the phone of phone. Tell me your name now. They can catch him the 450. Come on, they have a consider me to go and back here. The people here. So, I could see the guy. Could here, just see she go.
Jana. Kanya. Yeah, but then
1,000. What do you have? Then the case go to court. That's number one. But you go there handcuff alone. The police will right. They will still make a fight. You have a simple case. So what the criminality or committee?
ọ nwere na-ajụ ọ bụ na simenti mesịrị daa ọ bụ na simenti wepụrụ ego ọ ga-abalansị dị maa na ego
The answer is no. The answer is no.
ọ kwa ebu ikwu ya dị ngwa ahịa
ọbụgodu na-abịa na-ere simenti 1,000 igogo simenti a ka igo simenti. The answer is no.
You don't buy. Ọ kwesịrị otu ikwu ego na you don't buy balance kọpa ya si otu ikwu ego you don't buy so the thing bụ ọ bụrụ na ịjụ ogwugwu iwu n'udo na ịma etinye ego kwụọ ya ụgwọ sekuriti ị na-adị na-ekwu
onye gụrụ ahịa wụ onye kwụrụ ụgwọ para ahịa wụ onye gụrụ ahịa wụ mana onye gụrụ ahịa wụ onye kwụrụ ụgwọ ahịa para ahịa wụ onye gụrụ ahịa onye kwụrụ ụgwọ ahịa para bụla ahịa nyere ego n'oweri ya wụ ị ga-awụ
eso onye kwụrụ ụgwọ ahịa onye kwụrụ ụgwọ ahịa buru ahịa akwụkwọ onye gụrụ ahịa onye ọla kwụrụ ụgwọ ahịa na-ekwuru bụ ahịa nyere ego n'oweri ya oke onye kwụrụ ụgwọ ma o buru gbe ngwa ahịa okay
yes in your do break the only I don't know say I know the same for you again how do only good right boys that I tell you when second thing will have good yes big good ahia yes you do in good ahia no that's it I get the second thing will have good yes I get good ahia all by force be that I'm not here the person grows me
Yeah, I was coming to that. Amanga no obviously. I was here and do the ebe wee tiwa shop a bukọ ihe ọnụ ọkụ gbara ebe a. Kedu ebe ọ ga-agwa ndị a? Ọ fọtụ ndị a. Maka ikwesịghị iburu ngwa abịa gị since. Ọ ga-asị ndị a kwụọ ya ụgwọ. Ọ ga-asị bunye ya simenti ya. Onye ọ bụ na enwe natural disaster.
Beside the road. They are not arrangement. Then I don't have a cage. I have vegetable in the boy. Then the arrangement at Lagos now. They got to tell us no more. So that's what when the government is caterpillar, that is as I had them mad to do this. Then I will not have arrangement now. Lagos run that by the low side. I got the government in Lagos with caterpillar. They level low. Eba hidi in Napala. Only a bit of full his only arrangement. Was the arrangement? Was not going to get a was here. Give me my money back. Or I didn't just make it. Oh, well, I want to go to the make come back. Okay, I don't want to do cement.
So abo na mmiri zo. Ke we na flood. Na mmiri zo we bia we maybe cement ni na. Are money no na some months. E bia buru while. Iya si onya anye ego.
Osigi the go cement again no. Osigi the go 50 bag again. Amiri man le pe water. E go be.
Ewe bi ge no.
Warehouse. As been an obvious warehouse. Or cement, I can study in a warehouse. Or I have cement open.
I will not want
I continue to 4 years.
Away you get man. Away you get man. Na lie. You no go fit. Then why I get man? Okay, bush cement ya. Never park in the ebe. Never the ebe. Because someone nature can lay can lay the cement, the blame go. But you know call me, never gabu. So onye na turn up with the gear, na many how myself.
Those onye go afia ge people onye na afia bu de. Na po gibo no na phone, sig no. Ko atom 200 bars and the year 200 bars are put 2.5 million based on 2000 2005. This is because I'm going to now. We are going to get a still as an agreement. The second I'm going to put you in two cars. Naga put you 1.5 million. Then when you go to get another one, Naga put you 1 million or 2.5 million. Making it 200 bars. You understand? And yeah, maybe as an agreement, they make 1.5 million or 1 million. They know reach one just made the remaining 1 million. It's not getting more amount because
agreement. I'm not not 2.5, you will go 1.5. If that's the age you have at the 10, the opposite was 99,000. And if the opposite keeps over 300,000. You can see they acquire that 2.5 stay. Always got business. Oh, ya keji ya mo ahia mo ya keji boy e ga mo everything ma how to handle issues. Ndị na-agboro boy amoro the ulu dị na boy. During that 5-6 years ị ga-amụta a lot of things. Mmanụ ihe ị ga-agwa nwe customer olugharị obi or consider gị. You want to go? Mana some people just maka ma na business farmer go cost price and selling price. Farmer has the other ethics of the business. You know? Okwu anụnwa to me. Ogboro ife didi ya. Anya ka ị ga-akọdo the person na ekene. Jinja ka o tinye ego, ọjị na ogbo etinye ego, isi ya no problem. Ya buru ngwa ahịa. O buru ngwa ahịa naba. Ịmago na as long as gị na ya na-enwero altercation hụ na adọrọ aka n'ọnụ, the man nwere ike ibute echi na-alụghị aza gbanyere gị ezigbo ego kene ụgbọkwanụ ogoro ahịa wọtụrụ more than that because onye ọbụla ọ chọkwa ịnụ he must surely remember you. Ọ ga-ama na ebo a man of integrity. So ọ bụrụ na etu esi emedo abụrụ ka ibi esi eme mana ịmụ afịa ọfụma, ịmụ afịa ị ga-agbadata na every customer counts. Now each one each equals that Dariana and a Gobunos word because the marriage. Am I communicating?
That is all. Yeah.
Thank you. We are clear on this one.
How you busy?
We are clear on this one. All right. Oh, well, another thing. Okay, I'm going to need rubber. Oh, well, something name Ncholuka going to be aware of. Man, a program I know, many people now watch. If I deal with, as I speak to you, somewhere in Omambalanya, Anambra East, na West side that one, and then we problem within the anti-cult in Anambra State. Anti-cult issue na one job in the East now, na ban. It fast and so on and so forth. So that program, if I was that anti-cult, I wish no Ghana this night, because I would like to bring you up to the screen also. Kiting on Etuosia, but before then, in this channel, actually now many people get benefit, especially in Dubai, they know Nigeria, but when it goes to wedding. So any them, somebody to know me, only get donate a recharge card because I need to do that giveaway to many people. They want to know so that the fact that they so line internet can enlightened. Now one or two people ever can help somebody actually Daniel can do your job, go may escape. So I don't know if there's any one of you before we will give you support to the program. But mainly that recharge card because I actually get them on recharge card tonight. So I give you the platform. If you get you support to that thing, you can tell us. Thank you. Huh? And even new. Did you hear me?
I not listening.
Okay, because the other guy, I know you. So is there any support I name with them? I can name on the recharge card. I try go Ghana the now my microphone. So many people now even know. If you get me yeah, but now ka EDM go to the screen of your phone. It will paper the phone again. Okay, you can open up. Okay, we're not off. You know, one them work yeah. Dr. Frank, yeah. Oh, supporters, yeah. Yeah. Yes. Thank you.
So, madam Bona, no email for your program, and I got the back. I am a quiz on your Macon Kuwaiti for making a monkey game.
Yes, so.
Yeah. Angelina Bumutamota.
Yes, so.
I never get down on your Namatagasi, if a model, if focus in mammy, if focus on mammy. Like here. So we used to make that now. On any business, or when I go say business.
Yes. When you're going to be about this evening, I discuss this matter. Yeah.
So, I'm more happy about it's not your body. And now I'm on TikTok all over. Like, be funny. I'm not been on your life more.
Good. So okay, enough time to think about this whole menace I in the face, and then innocent people kita. So we need your contribution tonight. Okay, I got there live. We need to educate the public. All right, we need to educate them. So we need you there. Huh? Thank you so much.
That's bad.
All right.
Bad.
All right, so abone ever, and then you really felt like people need to join, and not only joining this program, for them to always come online anyway. Kafana know if I know so that their eyes can never be. If they limit they buy from information be too much. The information technology be available to them, all the very expensive. So that's why we have to do this. Give them something. Kafa when we can because if I know what to wedding, they think all this is too bad. And I want information, Imo State police it is banned to go that tiger base flow to another thing. I know Wale Kefe recruit quite the same people, but one are based with a different name. So now in Anambra State, now if anti-culture on a yenso, on a yes. That is why we need to raise this awareness. Can they malo how to move about? Obona Iga Yoba government. Ọkwa na abụrụ na ọ dị possible onye ọbụla jide ID card ya ịmalife na alụ jide your ID emeghị ya na Lagos severally police meme arrest na Lagos 1999 isi Ido gbagota flyover na-agazi Idumota na that junction ebe a ka polisi gụgbam mụ weta ma ID card ejiro m ID card 99 ka m na-agwa ya ejiro m ID card feme ma arrest kpọrọ ma ọ bụrụ ndị Adekunle police station ebe a ka anyị ga ruo ebe ahụ o nwere onye mama ebe ahụ anyị ekene so onye polisi na-anụkwa n'ihe anyị na-ekwu onye polisi wee jụọ m onye ka mbụ nkọwarịa nọọ fim ka m na-eme n'ọga na-emelụ fim na-anọ n'Idumota nọọ na nke ka m na-aga because ọnụ ka anyị na-ekwu okwu fim ahụ o wee si oke analụzi ama amaghịzi m 1000 ka ego one ka a nalụ mgbe ahụ ndị ọsụnyeba erelizie m nchọ ọkada si ebe a move gaba ebe m na-alụ so ife na-esevu ndị mmadụ oge abụ ID card ka amala ife ị na-alụ ọ bụrụ na be anyị na anyị ga-erezi awareness bụ na onye ọbụla ga na-ebu ID card ya ịmala ife ị na-alụ ejide ka ya bụ anataghị afụ your address for everything ebe ahụ so we need to create this awareness ka ndị mmadụ hapụ ị na-enwezi this problem a na-enwe. I know many stories concerning the anti-cult and their victims in Anambra State. So Abu goes well. Thank you, my brothers. Thank you. Anya nwere much time on this. Anya ekwuenia. Anya ga-amụta ife amụtago. Business na mama nwanne m. Ị na-achọ ịba business. Gaa mụọ the business ọfụma. Wepụta time mụọ onye ya dị na-aga ọsịsọ ka ị gbapụ. Agbara m boy for 6 years. Some other people here about 7, for 8, for 5. But I mean, if I have plus minus 6 years, you gain a lot of experience. A man had a customer. A man na even jikoge na this customer be go ya. And that source is you need draw, it rude, you need draw, you lose ya. Ya ka eji si because onye ọcha ma amụọla ya kwụọ my salary ịghọtago so ị na-eme business mụọ ya amụọ gị na customer ga-akwesịrọ ịda adọ ife too much o nwee ka o si dị na-emete each other halfway ọ bụrụ na nke ị ga-forfeit ya ma ya bụ na business ị na-aga a good businessman na-anọkọta ọbe ngwa afịa ego ị na-awọnda na ọ dị ka onye ọ na-emebiri gị ihe o nwere reason o ji wee bee dị ngwa afịa ego so ọ bụ na sound Android mazikwa nọ maazị mmụọ netwọk na-emezi nke na sound Android ihe na this app I don't know sound ọ dịghị ya na ndị nọ na Facebook nọ na n'ihe nne I don't know so I have to end it here. A word is enough for the wise. We'll catch up later. When I was I know when feature lead you and eventually join and the giveaway. Call me on the phone. Alright? Okay. No sound, sure.